As in the first class, we have discussed about the definition and the nature and also the scope of management accounting. So in the today's class, we shall discuss about that. What are the differences will be there between the financial accounting and the management accounting, and also the management accounting with the cost accounting. When we have come across with that management accounting means, it is also seems like as similar like as a financial accounting, but there are so many differences we can be find out between the financial accounting and the management accounting. Those we can find out under these all the differences. The first difference will be that when there is a financial accounting will be there, the purpose of financial accounting is to ascertain profit or the loss and the financial position and present them to the owner or the creditors or the government. So this will be the financial accounting purpose, but the management accounting purpose will be to provide the information to management for the decision making. Here all the data are going to be collected from the financial accounting, and those are going to be make it analysis, and through those all the analysis you are going to be giving the some of the suggestion for the managerial authority to take the decisions for the business organization. That is the purpose of management accounting. Then the second difference will be that it records the historical data relating to the past. In your financial accounting, you are only making the report records in related with the historical data. The financial year, what are all the details are going to be there, those are going to be recorded. Nothing but financial accounting is a past recordings. Then management accounting means it is concerned with the future plans and the operation. This subject matter is going to be deals with the future, what will be happen for the organization in the future period can be so concerned under the subject matter of management accounting under its all the conduct of operations. Then there is a financial accounting is a compulsory. The each and every business organization compulsory they need to make their preparation of financial accounting. It is a mandatory, but under the management accounting there is a no any compulsion will be there, optional. If you would like to have the effectiveness under your business, you can go through with the management accounting implication. Otherwise there is a no compulsion will be there to have the management accounting in the business organization. And under the financial accounting lays more emphasis on the accuracy. The financial accounting will be having the accounting standards and the concepts will be there, accounting principles will be there. So with those all the accuracy you need to have your preparation. So there is a financial accounting, what the standards will be dealt, so the same thing you need to consider for your preparation. But under the management accounting lays more emphasis on the quick and prompt recording. Here the management accounting is not going to be considering with a much more accuracy. It will be following up which is going to be giving you the proper recording, or there is a emphasis will be there to get the analysis in a very much quick or immediate manner. That will be concerned under the management accounting. And the some other differences are limited scope. Under the financial accounting there is a so much limited scope will be there. If the accounting standard will be there, what is there in the accounting standard, same thing you need to follow. But under the management accounting it is a wide scope, because there are so many subject matter will be covered. You can use the any tools and techniques like as a cost accounting controlling techniques will be there, or there is a statistical methods will be there. Like that wider things of scope will be there under the management accounting to conduct their analysis. But the financial accounting is not having such a scope, it is only limited with the only accounting standard. Within that scope you need to make your all the preparation. And under the financial accounting based on generally accepted accounting principles and the convention, what is there in the conventions or the concepts or the accounting principles only you should need to make it follow. But management accounting is not based on the rigid principles, but based on the internal requirement of the management. What is the requirement of the management will be having concerned under the analysis. It is not based on the any principle, because here there are tools and techniques are not having the specific way of principles or the specific way of any conventions. So that will be the difference we can find out. And prepared for a financial accounting, prepared for a particular period. So financial accounting means you are going to be preparing for the one financial year. So every year ending you are going to be having the preparation of financial statements. So that is a related with a particular period. But management accounting is not going to be considered in such a specific period. It is going to be not for the any particular accounting period. And the financial accountings are going to be considered with the external parties are considered as a users. The financial statement, why the company is going to be preparing, because there are so many external users will be there, like there is a creditors will be there, some of the banks will be there, they all will be concerned with the business organization because they have been given their financial resources for the company. So those all the external users are going to be required with the information will be find out under the financial accounting. But under the management accounting, it is internal parties are the users. Within the business organization, what are the preparation of plans, what are the business decision making will be there. These all in related with the managerial authority which is within the business organization. So those all the internal parties are going to be using the management accounting, all the details or the decision makings. Then the financial accounting is the subject matter where there is a audit is more or the less compulsory. So here there is a audit things are going to be considered under the financial accounting. As like when you have prepared the any of the financial data or the financial accounting preparation, there is a more compulsory things are going to be there under the financial accounting. The audit will be not compulsory under the management accounting preparation. And the financial accounting is going to be considered as stock is valued on the principle of cost or the market price, whichever is less. When you are making the preparation of financial accounting, you are considering stock as in the value of cost of the stock, or you are going to be considered with the market price, whichever is less value will be there, those are going to be considered into the financial accounting preparation. But under the management accounting, no such principle is going to be followed for the valuation of stock. There is no any compulsory rules will be there or the principle will be there under the management accounting. However, maybe you can be having your consideration under the preparation. So these are the some of the differences between the financial accounting and the management accounting. Then the other differences will be there. There is a differences between the cost accounting and the management accounting. So that we can be find out under these all the points. The cost accounting is to be prepared for the purpose of ascertain and control the cost of products or services. The cost accounting, it is only dealt with the only the information about that what are the things of cost will be incurred under the business organization. So only to ascertain the cost there is a preparation of cost accounting will be done. But under the management accounting, the purpose is to provide the information to the management, planning, controlling and decision making. Here the management accounting is going to be having the more and more differentiated functions than the cost accounting. It is planning, it making the performance of the planning, controlling and the decision making. Then there is a cost accounting is includes with the only cost ascertainment and the control. It is only having the limited scope in related with the cost incurrence or the cost ascertainment or making cost control, that is only there under the scope of cost accounting. But under the management accounting, it includes with the financial accounting, cost accounting, budgeting, tax planning, reporting to the management. There is a wide area will be covered under the subject matter of management accounting. Already in the scope we have been discussed. In related with that, management accounting is having the much more scope. Then cost accounting uses only quantitative information. May you are studying the cost accounting, you can see there is only quantitative informations are to be needed under the cost accounting preparation. There is no quality will be considered for the whether the data will be having the quality or not, that will not be concerned with the cost accounting. But under the management accounting, it is concerned with the use of both quantitative and also the qualitative information. And under the cost accounting, it deals with the cost. Only there is a cost will be considered, what is the expenditure will be there, no income will be considered under the preparation of cost accounting. But management accounting is deals with the both cost and revenue, what is the income earning or what is the expenditure will be going on, cost will be incurring, both terms are going to be considered under the management accounting. And there is a management account, the cost accounting is to be based on both historical and current data. Here the cost accounting will be concerned with both the past recordings and also with the current, what is the present flow of information will be there, or the data are going to be available. But the management accounting is concerned with the transactions relating to the future. It is only prepared for making the business concern, making its all the preparation for the future period. The planning will be done, organizing will be done, everything is going to be, because for the future purpose it is going to be having its preparation. And under the cost accounting precedes the management accounting. The cost accounting, all the preparations are to be needed for the management accounting. So starts where management accounting starts where the cost accounting ends. To make the preparation or conduct the management accounting, there is a need of cost accounting information. So that will be the management accounting. ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ತನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್, ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಡಾಟಾಸನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಗೆ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಅದರ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಳಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಮೇನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಿಂಗ್. Through this diagram we shall see that how there is a relationship will be there. To make the preparation of management accounting, both financial and cost accounting informations are to be needed. To make the preparation of management accounting, so there is a both financial and cost accounting will be required. So like that, for making the conduct of future preparation of business organization, there is a even management accounting is needed for both the financial and the cost accounting. So all these three are to be having their relationship beyond the differences which we can be find out under the discussion. This is about the relationship, and also we can see under the differences between the financial accounting and the cost accounting with the management accounting.